The poem is called Someone Coughs in Another Language, and it's dedicated to my grandmother's grandmother who came from Mid Wales. I sometimes wonder how far up my family tree I need to climb to find the final Welsh speaker. Would it be Miss Parry of Llanleonfel, Hamlet, or Mr. Powell of Llangantin, or Miss Price of Llyn? I imagine someone clearing their throat, travelling along the new railway line from Bilth, heading out of their language, quietly coughing before practicing my odd, hard-to-say words. So here I am, shuffling the little yellow man forward, a curious Google Maps pilgrim, along the A470, or rather viewing the screenscape of the road, looking for a turn-off to Dyserth, a parish church mentioned in the family Bible, a day in 1860. I find a caravan park, a perfect church, a gate, but my man can't shuffle ahead any further. He's stuck, as if history allows only so much. I imagine him trying the gate, leaning over towards my never photographed relations, needing the ancestral glimpse, coughing politely, "Excuse me, but can I come a little closer?"
Pesychu mewn iaith arall. Tybed pa mor bell nôl drwy fachau rhaid treiddio cyn ffeindio siaradwr Cymraeg. A'i tybed Miss Parry o Llanleonfel, and Mr. Powell o Llangantin, a'i Miss Price o Benrhyn Llŷn. Dychmygaf rhywun yn clirio llwnc ar dren ar y lein newydd o Lanfair y Muallt, yn mudo o aelwyd iaith, a pesychu'n ddistaw cyn mentro'r geiriau heriol mor gyfarwydd I mi. Felly dyma fi'n gwthio'r pererin bach melyn o erdd Google Maps hyd yr A470. Neu'n hytrach yn dilyn sgrin luniau o'r briffordd am droad Betws Disawdd ac Eglwys y Plwyf nodwyd yn yr hen Feibil ryw ddydd y 1860. Mae parc carafanau ac eglwys fach berffaith ac iat, ond all y dyn bach melyn strafhaglu ddim pellach. Dyna ni, naeth hanes datgelu dim mwy. Rwy'n ei ddychmygu rôl trio agor y gliciad yn ceisio sylwm hawthnasau na chamnododd run llun. Mynydd cip ar stalwm y teulu. Peswch bach clen. Os nad ych chi'n meindio, allai ddod fymryn nes.